You know, say Kush gonna represent for 876 Music. Lone Kusholiousness. Welcome to the show, my friend. Kush.
Right through to some big artists, and I see some new artists, and you don't know, I see some important people, and I see the boss, Uncle Steve, you don't know, Sun City boss in the house. And of course, big up DJ Zazisha in the building, of course, I have to big up, you know, the thing of people. And we got the Mona family too, you know. Yeah, Mona segregated, the whole team, see, Barbican, of course. Right now, let me shout out my friend, John Mark, you don't know, he has a big video. For the first and second year, I mean, so far about DJ Hansman, which was the 2018 recipient of Select of the Year Youth Awards, right? Father from Arden High, your alma mater. Yeah, Arden, peace! DJ Rasmus, who is known as Papa Shot, former campaign colleague, you have DJ
Street, but I have quite a lot of catalyst version. I've produced with Charlie Gax, Capeton, Zawanda, Chesedek, Deep Joy.
Yeah.
You know, a lot of artists. Don Penn, Fun.
Show. Huh? You going to the show?
Bugged everywhere. I mean, let's be ready. You're ready.
You know me,
ready, everything ready.
I can't look at that one away.
So you're way more.
I'm going to burning. Spotlight. I can't cook, so I don't need them now.
Don't get shot.
Peace, live on live TV, of course, you're shooting Super Hype in the house. Of course, the vibe is nice every Friday night here. The vibe is nice every day. But right now, you don't know, tonight, it's a party on Hype TV. And of course, I'm here with one of my party animal friends. TMO is in the house live right now, who's performing tonight live. After he leaves Up and Live, he's going to be live at the Hip Hop Up on the Roof show. Hip Hop on the Roof. I want to make sure I'm catching the name right, you know. Hip Hop on the Roof. Yeah, on the roof. Yeah, big up Smike. See the flag, we have the proof. Yeah. You know the thing, the team will be yourself. Peace.
Up on live.
Yeah.
Yeah, big up so.
So, how the music treating you so far?
I don't know, relative.
Yeah. Can't complain.
Yes, over there.
Yes, over there. I have show tonight.
And we have show tonight.
Yeah. How you get prepared for that?
How we get prepared? Born prepared, man. Never scared, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So, you don't know, like tonight now, what do you plan to give your fans?
They must go forward and say, we can't come tell them what we have planned for do. We just plan for shell it, wreck it.
Yeah.
I don't know, smile the damn thing.
Sure.
I don't know,
No, man.
yeah, the whole red black I got it is a mess.
The one red block.
The whole black.
The whole block.
The whole black.
No, I'm stressed out. Right now, look how I get like a little freestyle by TV. Maybe 5 seconds.
Yeah, it's another one of those. When I'm hunting, I'm searching. Cat's thirsty, I'm working. For the bus to be perfect, and plus the embers were worth it. Not just real at the surface. Yeah, my swagger turned up. Really need no herbs to burn this. She says she love my style, she love my pattern, long time. I'm another pilot and plus me step on crime. We work hard, I mean no itch on a party time. Watch how she start for wine, that means she like the vibe. But she no love the red brown, so I'ma bring the white.
Easy! What's up?
They're for forward tonight.
Tonight, peeps, you don't know.
Yeah.
Live on ITV, of course, TMO is here. And you don't know. You got a song that's called Stay Alive.
Stay alive, man.
Yeah.
You know, there are times when life don't really mean nothing. It no value no.
Yeah,
They're more expensive.
Yes.
Stay alive. That's the message to the whole of the garrison, isn't it?
Stay alive.
The streets, Jamaica, worldwide.
Stay alive.
Stay the hell alive.
Straight. Who produced this track?
This track was produced by Matthew Hitchner.
Nice.
Yeah, Matt Virgin of mine, a young producer, was sick, talented.
The young people them under the thing right now. Because the young youths.
Stupid, insane, crazy.
Crazy. So tonight you're performing. We got a new video for this track also, right?
Most definitely.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you don't know, we're on Hype TV.
Hype TV, the right TV.
Right TV.
Night TV.
Yo, day and night TV.
Day and night TV.
It's crazy.
Right.
So, your Instagram now for all the fans watching.
Simple and easy. TMO_real. TMO_real. I don't know real. Everything we have to do it real.
Straight. Fans, you need to go and follow TMO_real right now. And the show tonight is going to be crazy.
Yeah,
and we got this video to drop.
17 Auburn Road.
Yes.
So make sure to
How much do you get in?
5 minutes, just for 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
Yeah, just to see this amount of greatness.
What time is showtime?
Oh man, showtime, my time?
Yeah.
Yo, I don't even know what time I will show you.
Yeah, let's reach your show.
2 for 1 for the ladies that I know for sure.
Sure.
3 before 12 I mean.
Yeah.
Yeah, so go ahead and just run through.
Ladies, you know what to do. Right now, time is going. Make sure you get to the venue before 12 o'clock. It's free. Look here. The whole team gonna drop in that place
The whole
tonight.
block.
The whole Diamond D gonna be in the house tonight. So Smite, you don't get a big crowd tonight. You know how it is. You know the team alone. I want you to introduce this video for me.
The video.
Yes.
Alright, watch out now, man. What I'm about to witness is just basically me. So just check it out. You see me, stay alive. You see me, the message for the youths them right now. Nobody just chill out and die out and, you know? Stay alive. See it now.
So there is a
Yo, God, you could have some. Think I love me love for my style. Yo, then set up and hand some. She get on the left of lower. Now she a hold me for ransom. Ransom. She answer it. Tell me your ransom. I say I'm sexy. It's on the militant. Yeah, I feel the wise and discipline. Yeah, like a wise, you be listening. So stay alive if you listening. And stay rolling like Michelin. Yeah, stay strapped with the crystalline. The bullets pass by whistling. Them shells burning and sizzling. Trouble the set like drizzling. So I stay strong like a bristling. Stay occupied with whistling. I'm stay on the scene with visibly. So if you try to pop me, then visit me. Don't you think I'm little nigga, you killing me. Stay alive, stay alive, stay alive, little nigga, stay alive. You never die, you just multiply. You my nigga ride, food for life. Stay alive, stay alive, stay alive, little nigga.
Yeah, I'm doing it. What should you say? What is it from shade? Check the boss, so the bench G look yes, man. Yeah, ITV! The man is nice right now, man, I tell you. Alright, so big of a rapper knows. Hip hop is like a big movement in Jamaica right now. We call it, well, I don't know what they call it, but I call it trap dancehall.
We'll call it Yardcore.
Yardcore.
Our first course.
Yeah.
Yeah, we had the first course, we started first, so it's in
It's true.
Yeah.
Well, I'm definitely going to the show tonight because I got a hip hop track that I'm involved in that we just released with Consequence Records. So I'm gonna be up there because I want to see what the hip hop scene is like in Jamaica right now.
Yeah, I have to do that.
Yeah, because you know I'm crazy with it.
Do that too.
Straight up.
Yeah.
So peeps, remember tonight, 17 Auburn Road. You could go there right now if you want. You know what I mean? Check out the place. I'm out food. I know ladies here 2 for 1 before 12, and of course. A lot of artists are going to be there. It's $500 to get in, and the rapper is going to be there, the artist TMO.
Yeah.
So, you don't know, people. If you don't see at the show, we're going to give you a TKO. We'll knock you out. Make sure you reach the show. Meet us there. TMO is going to be there, live. And right now, where are we? Live.
Oh,
You know,
live.
that thing go. And right now we're gonna take a little commercial break. Live. This will come. Is that your real name or do you
No, that's my stage name. My real name is Ernest Nelson.
Okay, the real name there. That's you know, Robert.
You know what Kush gonna represent for 876 music. This spliff knock him out like Rocky, yo. Left a fat eye like a Akio. Head get dizzy like Pacquiao. Then in Japan ground like Domino. One jaw will make you day better. Kush knock you out, me better. Kush, 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 kush. Long, long, long. Kush howlessness.
Now, listen,
Knock life.
Knock life.
Knock on the door.
Yeah.
Knock life.
Yeah, knock life.
Yeah, it was a struggle for me coming up, you know what I'm saying? So
Straight.
that's how the name came about, to make a long story short.
Yeah, and you're performing tonight.
That's right.
So how you feel before the show, like, you know?
I'm right now, I got so much energy, I'm about to bust, man.
I can actually see that.
So I'm just hyped, you know what I mean? For
Sure.
all the artists, it's not just for myself.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? This is where it started. So big up all the Jamaicans who know how to flow. That's how we know, you know?
Yeah, how long you been rapping or flowing?
Man, I've been rapping for years, but never took it serious.
Yeah,
But, you know what I mean? Since I got the potential and I got the skill, why not?
and the opportunity, knocking off.
Definitely, man. I'm all educated up. I'm full of everything, man. So
Sure.
I got a new album out, Great I Am, iTunes, Amazon, all social media network.
Man,
Instagram, Knock Life the Rapper.
knock life behind you.
Facebook, Knock Life Entertainment.
So
Twitter, at Knock
I
Life
think he's just on
2010.
a roll.
Yeah, knock life, man.
I'm just trying to make your job easy.
Yeah, straight. So knock life, how long you been doing this rap game?
Since 2010.
Since 20
Yeah,
years.
thanks to Bowl and Bolsey Entertainment.
How do you feel about just being in Jamaica?
Jamaica is the best place to be. I love my country. All we need to do is get together and get this money. Stop the killing. Education is key. Tell me what you want to be. You feel me? The way to go. You know what I mean? That's why so many domestic disputes leading to dangerous situations. Our brothers and sisters going to jail. People getting killed ridiculously. Come on now. Education is key. And right about now, it really hurts me that the government are in money dispute over education. Like, for real?
Like for real?
Come on now.
Well, no, never argue with some other money.
How are we supposed to progress to become a first world country when we can't get our education system together?
Joe.
What's really going on? See, I got insights on everything. Look at our hospitals. Shaggy doing for this one, so we need another artist to do for the next one. So every parish could have a big international hospital.
True.
You feel me now?
They come and looking for Knock Life to come on the scene with
Listen.
a nice project.
Listen.
Yeah, tell us about that.
Mothers are crying because kids are dying and the politicians stay lying. People, it's simple. Whoever we don't want in power, we don't vote for. The situation that this country is in is very poor. From bad roads to taxis that overloads. No street lights. One of these ministers gonna get it right. They consider this a third world country. I don't know why, because it's the government that got the people hungry. Ain't no gang or religious wars going on here. This island is built off love, respect, and care. If the war is political, keep it that way. Don't involve the youths. Use your own troops.
Ace!
Wow.
Chill!
Big to music.xyz. You feel
up,
me?
yeah.
And I want all my fellow artists, I don't care what kind of music you do. Get into the crypto world. I'm Bitcoins. I'm big to music. That's Mr. Big to Music right there. Nas just made 40 million.
Whoa.
You get what I'm saying?
Of
He
course.
created something that Amazon wanted. They gave him 40 for it. Come on, Jamaica. What's going
Come
on?
on, Jamaica. What are you doing?
And I feel sorry for my dancehall artists too. They're uneducated. That's why every time they come into the business, they get robbed. 1, 2, 3. It's easy. Because you're coming into a world, you're uneducated about the world, and instead of you listen, you try to dispute like you know how the business go. Take this rock there. That's how the business go.
Yeah, I'm the rubber.
You feel me?
You have to be educated. As my father said, you have to run your account.
We gotta keep it official, man. Ain't no hiding behind doors covering up no story. We just do things on the intellectual. Conscience, go to Conscience, the sequel show. You feel me? And my son, all youths, listen to me and listen to me carefully. Education is key. Key. So go get that great education and let your parents know. Say, Mom and Daddy, this is what I want to be.
Money make you stinking rich. Money make you never want switch. I'm sleeping and I'm running.
Yo, no, sir. That's a hero.
I sleep and run, bro. My brain running to sleep. I don't know what to
In the
Long
house.
Christmas. Welcome to the show, my friend.
Easy.
Yeah.
So right now, I want you to tell Amarisha. You don't know, like me, I know most if not everything, because you know you're my artist. I want you to tell Amarisha, you know, how you got started in the music biz, like how long you been in the music.
We don't have all night, but let me just break it down to you. Me and Stephen here, we go way back. Stephen?
Yeah. Good like that.
You see, man, for me and Stephen, I think Super Kush, Super I,
Steve.
a music piano. You get me? Music has always been a part of the vision. Yeah.
Straight.
And passion. You know what I mean?
Nice.
Man, you know, Kush got a big artist, you know, big song and sing, now, an album and drop. He just drop an EP or album.
Yo, it's actually an EP. We be together 420. Listen, you know? We be together. Which part of the camera? We be together 420. You hear me? Stream YouTube, on SoundCloud, Kushgod Lifestyle, YouTube, Kushgod, Jamaica, Instagram, Kushgod.ja.
Yeah.
Can't miss. We be together 420. You have to have it in your collection. You get me? Welcome to the show.
Yeah, you spoke such amounts of confidence. Tell me, what keeps you motivated, you know, in the music business?
My family and my experiences, you know. Like, you know, when you learn from your experiences, and it's like, when I get a chance to do this again, there's no turning back. There's not even a, if me I get it. Me I take it, me I feel. You see me? That's how I feel right now. Beast mode. Yo, pick up all the money when they are bush here so them jelly and them last year so. Cause you think that have beast mode. Yeah. Man, they don't sit in the car there, you know. Oh, until side, pick up all the money when they are bush right now and are planting in the earth. Cause earth to deal with. The man feel that the light skin don't make it fool you, you know. Because we can sit on the couch and school you, you know.
Oh my, oh my.
Sure.
Boy,
Kush.
This couch comfortable, you have a stool.
It is a high TV on the sofa.
Kush.
Well, I feel.
You know what the rate? I have the rate which you're moving. I just want to get straight into the world premiere for your music.
Yo,
So it's
right now,
Kush
I'm excited.
versus.
Right before you premiere the video,
Yo, I
just want to know one
to
thing. Describe your music in like, let me see, 1, 2, 3 words. Like your music. Describe
Alright,
it.
watch it now. Where the blender there? See? Drake, Alkaline, Sean Paul. I know you can go and listen to them and know say, beer hits them make. Me that in the blender just go with the Kushgod and some ganja wizardry. Kush sorcerer at its finest. Welcome to the show. But if it was genres, dancehall, reggae, island pop. Yeah. And if it was strings, OG, Kush, Purple Haze, and Girls Come
Yes. I tell people what they need to look out for, like the new tracks.
Yo, just don't forget them face here, and just look out for the IG page, Kushgod.ja. So Run Left Poverty, Kush versus Mayweather. I have a bag of things, man. A bag of things, yo. I just want to get comfortable. You see me? I see me. I'm not give up. You understand? You can say, oh, when this white kids are going to come from Moya. No, man, I come from Moya, man. I come from right there, so I come from. Out of anyone. I hear some come from. You see me? See me, get used to me. Get familiar, push that lifestyle, I hear somebody. Long.
And now we need like an intro for this video, but this is a world premiere now.
Bro.
So, it's your TV station, you know. I want you to drop this video on Hype TV.
Yo.
You just get the shares
Yeah.
for Hype TV. So you want just hand over 70% to you. So I want you to take over the TV station and drop this video.
Alright. Are you ready? Are you ready? Yo, we're the smoke machine there. I know some push that says. Alright, let me tell you this. Enough blood, enough sweat, enough tears, enough hard work we put in. You see me? Right now, big up All Faces Production, big up whole team. Cash is necessary. Big up IS Audio, big up my brother Super Push. You see me? Big up Empress. I say, yo, Push versus Mayweather is more than just a video. It shows you determination. You see me? Keep pushing, no matter what you do, don't stop. You see me? Focus on what you do. The one that named Push versus Mayweather is more than a video, it's a movement. Welcome to the show! Yo, it's a up moving up. All Faces Productions. Push that is this. Yeah, busy.
Push up.
This beat knocking out like Pacquiao. Never had I like Pacquiao.
Jamaican Chris Breezy.
Like Pacquiao. The ninja can run like Domino. I'm down the leg with it. You should not be more Mayweather. Hold on to make you better. You should not be more Mayweather. Cause no. All Faces Productions. This split